bonds we make and chances we take. I feel everything more with you. Quiet confidence and trusting every step. And we know that our faith will get us through. It's so obvious, forever calling us. And this time we won't wait and wonder anymore. When the morning breaks, we won't hesitate. It's the first day, it's the first page. Our story starts here. Our story starts here. Before our eyes, now we find it all becomes so clear. Our story starts here. Constant faith in the words we say. So sure we're never letting go. It's so obvious, forever calling us. It's the first day, yeah, it's the first page. Our story starts here. Our story starts here.
Marriage in the queer community is a bit like a unicorn. Once thought to be a myth, but here we are proving it's real and as magical as we imagined.
It's so obvious, forever calling us. It's the first day, yeah, it's the first page. Our story starts here. Our story starts here. Our story starts here. Our story starts here.
Just gonna make a phone call. Hey Ryan, here's your golden opportunity. You finally ready to ditch Blake for your one true love, aka me. Oh, I hear you loud and clear, and don't worry, I won't forget to shout out the rooftops, off the rooftops. That Deadpool 3 hit cinemas today. Thank you for coming and not going to. All right, I'll see you around. Got to get marinated. Bye.